Here's a question I hear a lot. Why do some of my letters fill in solid when I'm using the text function in Cricut Design Space? If you have ever asked yourself this question, this video's for you. Now what I'm talking about is, see right here how the D, the center filled in solid? This is what the D should look like. Have that center cut. We can see it also happened here in the P, A, and the D here. So why does this happen? It is because there is a little teeny tiny bit of the neighboring letter that's slightly poking in to that opening. So for this I, where it swoops up here, there's a little tiny bit of it somehow poking into the center of the D, which makes Cricut Design Space think we want it filled in solid. That's why it doesn't happen here, because there's no letter before this D that would poke into it. Okay, so for here, it could be either way. It could be the X or the L that's poking into there. The A, it could be either the L or the I. And for the D here, it's obviously this E that's poking in here. So we used to type up our words and they would not fill in, or I'm sorry, they would not connect together automatically. You would be able to see this little line that shows the separation where they cut, unless you welded your letters together. Now, with Cricut's new auto kerning function, when we click make it, it's cutting those all as one word and already kind of pre-welding it together. So how do you make that not fill in solid? Because it doesn't look solid here. But if we were to weld it, see if it fills in solid just by welding it. It filled in solid. So that's where we know for sure that it's a problem. Okay, so this is what I found. This word solid is my problem word, right? So if I look at what my height and width is, if I wrote those numbers down and then made this bigger, actually I can make the whole thing bigger. Let's do that instead. Make the whole thing bigger. And now click make it. So the good thing is in the make it screen you can preview if things are filling in solid or not. And we can still see explain by is still a problem, but the letters filled in solid and the why do some are fine. Okay, so what we could do is while those are big, select those and weld. And now we still need to make, oops, I zoomed in when I wanted to zoom out. We still need to make the explain by part bigger. So let's weld that. Wow, it's taking a lot of time to weld. Okay, so now it's fine. So now if I shrink it back down to the size I want to cut it at, I should have done a smaller word because this is kind of a pain in the butt to zoom in and zoom out like this. But I really wanted you to see how this was working. Okay, so now if I scale this down, because before I had it so it all fit on one cutting mat. Okay, so now if I go make it, you can see none of the layers are filled in. So the workaround is to make the words really big, weld them, and then shrink them back down to the size you want. The only other option you would have would be like this one. I just was using somebody's name to play around with it. The only other option you would have would be if we went text and I typed in Amanda. Um, Now, if I ungroup these, I could manually move this letter. So now we're going back to the old school way, and now I have to manually move it, make sure it's all lined up, then select it all, and then weld it. See that it's all fine, and now I could make it. So there's your workaround for this. If you notice in the make it screen, your letters are filling in, either come back here and make the word really big and weld it, which kind of defeats the auto kerning thing if you ask me. But whenever there's a Cricut glitch, we figure out a workaround. So let's do this. If I hit make it, oh yeah, that's all jumbled up. Oh, because they were ungrouped. That's why. Okay. So again, I would go make it. And then I'd say, oopsie, it's filled in. So I'd come back here and make it super big. Weld it. And now I can make it small. So I can cut it the size I want it. Now, it's kind of a pain in the butt. And like I said, it totally defeats the auto connecting kerning thing that they did because you have to do a workaround. But at least now you know a way to work around the process. If this video was helpful for you, give it a like and a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and make sure you subscribe so you get all my latest videos. Thanks.